rainforest sounds. Sounding very rainforesty. Sounds of the Tablelands, really. There it is, McHugh Lookout. That's looking back towards Atherton, up to the north. You can sort of see it on the hills over there, parts of it. This is looking over towards Millaa way. I think Millanda's over there through the trees. There's a beautiful big old tree here, nice and shady. You can sit under there and then soak in the view. Absolutely bloody beautiful. There's Millaa Millaa straight over there. Lots of nice waterfalls just over there. Millaa Millaa Falls, Zilly Falls, Alinja Falls. Also, right over along the horizon there, we got the mountain range. There's two of the highest mountains in Queensland. There's Bartle Frere and Ballinanker. The beautiful Atherton Tablelands on this side, the rolling green hills. On the other side of those mountains, you got the coast. Coral sea, beautiful blue waters and the barrier reef. Sensational. Absolutely beautiful. This is God's country, as we call it up here in the north. You can see why. Stunning. Absolutely stunning landscapes.